Harare City Council Traffic Police on Thursday claimed a vehicle belonging to ZANU-PF National Secretary for War Veterans Affairs Douglas Mahiya in central Harare for dangerous parking, a move that has drawn attention amid public anger over the selective application of traffic laws. Sanabira mashoko kubuda panguva inochinzi aiwa Mahiya okulembewa nekuda kwekupaka zviri dangerous. Panguva inoi kwanzi munhu waminista oita zvinhu aiwa zvisina kuti tsvikiti munyika. Panguva ino kuchionekwa kwanzi kune mumwe mutemo yonzi yobata citizens asi kune vamwe kumusoro haubatwi nayo. Ndokuva subscribe or like out on the bell like kuti ina muna zvizere mudani kwa mchinzi. And an unusual show of municipal assertiveness, Mahiya, a prominent ruling party figure known for his close ties to top government officials, was seen engaging with uniformed Harare municipal officers after they claimed his luxury SUV outside the Suits World store. Witnesses say he appeared stunned as officers from the notorious Harare Traffic Enforcement Unit affixed the yellow claim to his front wheel. The Harare City Council's municipal police are infamous for claiming vehicles even for minor or ambiguous violations and charging exorbitant release fines, often upwards of $50. Motorists have long decried the practice as extortionate, accusing the council of operating more like a profit-seeking enforcement mafia than a public service. However, the claiming of Mahiya's vehicle has instead surprised given the well-documented culture of impunity enjoyed by ZANU-PF elites who routinely flout roads rules with no consequences. In many cases, ruling party and government officials are known to drive in restricted zones, park illegally, and evade police checks. While some viewed the incident as a sign of growing municipal boldness, others believe it may have been an isolated act of defiance by frustrated officers battling deteriorating urban order. The incident has reignited debates around fairness and transparency in traffic enforcement and urban government, especially as ordinary citizens continue to be the brunt of a collapsed transport system and a city council more focused on claiming than service delivery. Thomas Parbuda Pangwa Inoi. Penakome section made with the Mafuro Emur Clip on Super Chit for each. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.